Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can check if the drive installed in your Windows PC or laptop is an SSD, which is solid state drive, or an HDD, which is hard disk drive. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this anytime we drop them. Without wasting much time, let's get into a tutorial. So the first thing I want you to do is press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to bring up the run window. Over here, type this command and press enter or click on OK. This will open the optimized drives window. Now over here, as you can see, I have two drives installed on my laptop. I have a solid state drive, which is the C drive, and I have a hard disk drive, which is the D drive. So this is how you can check what type of drive is installed on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video useful, please leave me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next update.